If you want to control who can see your live location on Google Maps, you can easily manage or block location sharing directly from the web version. This is useful if you previously shared your location with someone and want to stop them from tracking it. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Your location sharing settings are tied directly to this account, so changes here will apply immediately. On the left side of the screen, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Location Sharing. This will open a list of people who currently have access to your real-time location. Here, you will see all active shares. Each person listed has permission to view your location for a specific duration or until you manually stop it. To block a specific user, click on their name. This will open their sharing details, where you can see exactly how your location is being shared. Next, click Stop Sharing. Google Maps will ask you to confirm this action to make sure you really want to end location access. Once confirmed, that person will immediately lose access to your live location. They will no longer be able to see where you are moving or your current position on the map. After stopping sharing, you can refresh the page to ensure the changes have been applied correctly. The user should disappear from your active sharing list. If you want to be extra careful, you can also review your Google account security settings to ensure no additional apps or users have access to your location data. This gives you full control over who can see your movements and ensures your privacy is protected. And that's how you block a user from seeing your location sharing in Google Maps. Open Location Sharing, select the person, and stop sharing to immediately remove their access.